Hey guys, Lyle from C8 Corvettes. I had recently made a video about the new solar throttle programmers that we're offering for the C6, C7, and C8. And I was kind of curious why nobody had made an install video on how to put this unit in. Now I know, but I still wanted to bring you out to the shop. I have a customer's beautiful C6 Z06 here, and I just want to show you a couple of tips on how to access the plug at the throttle pedal that you're going to need to get to install that programmer. Because from there, it's just a matter of plugging one end into the pedal and the other end into the harness that you just unplugged. So let me take you over here and I'm going to try to show you what I'm talking about. Follow me. For ease of access, I highly recommend you remove this panel from directly under the left side of the dash. It's held in by these three what we call Christmas tree clips. You can get those with a simple fork or a pry or whatever and just pop those out. There's also a little courtesy light that lives right here that you just slide out and let dangle. You'll see it when we duck into the car here, but this will allow you to get to things easier and it just snaps right back in when you're done. Now, let's take a look in here, shall we? So I'm trying to do filming and hold the light here, guys. So here's your gas pedal, right? As you go up, you'll see that there's a big plug right at the top of the gas pedal. Now, on that plug, you see that little gray shield there on the upper right? You lift that upward toward the dashboard. Once you do that, it allows you to access the push button that you're going to push to the left to release it. I can't do it while filming and showing you that, but that's where you need to get to. And once you get that unplugged, you simply plug in the programmer on one side into the gas pedal there, plug in that plug coming into it to the other side of the programmer, zip tie the programmer up in there, put your panel back, and that's what you do. But I'm telling you, I've got this car on the lift and I can barely reach it, so you're gonna really have to take your time, make sure you're somewhere comfortable and safe to do this, and that's it. So I apologize that I can't get a better view of it, but I just wanted to give you some idea of what you're going to be looking at, and especially how to get that one plug undone. Hope this helps. Thanks.